Are you a designer? Do you like to design things and you have really good design skills? How about if you're an up-and-coming designer and you'd like to test your skills against other designers and happen to have an opportunity to make up from $150 to $300 in contests where you can test your skills and be able to showcase your abilities against other people and get paid pretty good money for this? If this is you, even if you'd like to get involved in design, I'm going to show you how you can do this for very easy and for free and get involved in these contests and be able to make some really good money if you win the contests. All right? Well, if this is for you, you want to stick around and see this video because I've got many opportunities in this particular field to show you how you can showcase your design skills today. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this here. First of all, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time coming to my channel or my videos, well, reach down there below your video before we get started here. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos and you can come and take advantage of these money-making videos right off the bat as soon as I upload them. Alrighty? Alright guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, what you want to do is you want to come over here to this site right here. Now, I want to tell you guys before we come here and I show you this, that this is all going to be for free and it can be done from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're at. You can get involved in this and have an opportunity to participate in design contests and be able to make some really good money with this. Alright, so as you can see, we're here at this website. You can see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's designcrowd.com. You see it right there. And they are get the perfect custom design. People come here. As you can see right here where my mouse is, people come here to post jobs on here, and they need people like you to do custom design jobs for them. All right, and you can see right here, if we come over here and I put my mouse on categories, I told you guys that I was going to show you all kinds of many different opportunities to get involved in this. As you can see here, they got logo design, business card, on and on and on, graphic designs, 3D, infographic, Photoshop, vector, icon designs, web design, WordPress design. It's just all kinds of different things that people need work done for, even in billboard design, guys, you can see here, and resume design, print design, flyers, brochures, poster cards, postcards, posters, and all kinds of greeting cards, magazine. Guys, there are just opportunities absolutely galore on this site for someone who likes to do designing to come and take advantage of this right here. So for example, you can see right here also that they have it shows a little bit, they got logo and just some of the designs here, and then all the different categories which I showed you here as well. And you can see, get inspired by beautiful designs and so on and so forth. And then you can come down here and read a little bit more about this particular website right here. But to show you some of the jobs that are available, if we come up here where you see where my mouse is right here, guys, under jobs, you can see that there's all kind of jobs available in all of these categories that you see right here. So just using one category as an example here. And also I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. It doesn't cost anything unless if you're good with Photoshop or you have your own design software program or application, you can use that. Or I'm going to show you another place that you can do it right online for free in here in just a moment. But let's just take, for example, we'll just use logo design right here because it's pretty simple. So if I click on that, you can see that it says freelance logo design jobs, and they've got 189 jobs available right now. And as you can see down through here, this person needs a logo design for high-end auction house, and they're paying $150. There's 6 days left in it. You see where my mouse is here, guys. And so far, there's 19 designs put up by just 9 different people or designers. Right? So you can get involved in this one and get your design and they tell you what they want it to look like. Just click on it, and you can read about it and what they want it to look like, and what words they want in it. Maybe they want a particular picture or some sort of a design on it that they will tell you about, and then you just make it and submit it in for this in the next 6 days. At the 6 days, they will announce the winner of the one they liked, and that winner will be paid $150. But if you look down through here, guys, here's another one. It's a private one for $190. Imperial Cooling, $110. A company logo right here, guys, you see, and they're willing to pay right here $300 for this one. And it's got 6 days left in it. It's got 104 designs out of 57 people that have designed in this particular competition right here. But you can see there's all kinds of them down through here that you can get involved in. Here's one, a brand new one. It's a new rock band, needs a logo for their band. They're willing to pay $150, and there are no designs in there yet, guys. And you can come and even be the first one to put the design in on this one and get this started right here. And it's usually these competitions or these requirements only last for a short period of time, and it looks like 6 days at a time is all it lasts for, but it just goes on and on and on. Here's a Family Center of Maine. They're willing to pay $300 for theirs, and so far there's only 9 designs out of 8 designers that have submitted their designs to this particular place right here, Family Center of Maine. And it just goes on and on. So this is just one category, guys, of jobs available. As you can see, there are all kinds of jobs available here that you can get involved and get your design put in and be able to have an opportunity to make pretty good money by winning these contests right here on Design Crowd. Now, what about those of you that may not be good with Photoshop? You might not have even using Windows Paint program or something. You're not really good with that or whatever. You can come over here to this site right here. Most of you guys know about this probably. It's called Canva.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's Canva, and you can sign in with Canva and create a free account here. It doesn't cost anything. They do have a paid or pro account, but you don't need it to do this. This is all, like I told you, 100% free to do this work, okay? But you can sign in with your Google account. You can see I'm already logged in with my Google account right here. And then what you want to do, let's just say if someone, for example, you wanted to create a logo, you chose the category, logo design. You see some of these, all these jobs that are posted here you want to get involved in, and you can use Canva to create a logo. Just click here, create a design, and just type in logo, and it'll give you all the different types of logos here: a regular logo, badge logo, computer, sports, basketball, fashion, event, cafe, church, and t-shirt even. But basically, if you can create it, you need a custom size. If your job person has a custom size, they will give you the dimensions, and you can come back here and click on custom size and create the perfect size that they're asking for. And it's easy enough, guys. If I just click on the regular logo, and it loads up the template into their design editor right here, guys. And let's just say, for example, somebody needs a logo, and and most of these are free on Canva to use. There are some of them are not, most of them are. And let's just say, for example, we wanted to use this one right here. We'll just grab this, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with Canva, guys. It's just very easy to work with that. You can click in here and edit this and just type in whatever you want, and it can be, and you can change the font right up here, guys, and you can change it. I've got hundreds of fonts here you can use. You can change the size of the text. You can change the color of the text, bold it, underline in uppercase and lowercase, even add effects, and even animate your design as well. As you can see, guys, it's very easy to work with these logos, and you can drag this stuff anywhere you want and just click on it. I mean, you can rearrange these. It's just very easy to do this and to edit it. You can add over here on the left, guys, you got your elements, You can even upload your own designs. You can add text right here. If you wanted to add some more text, you just drag it over and drop it right in there, and you can type in whatever you want right there, and just type in any text you want right there. I mean, it's just that easy, guys, and click off, and it can be drug around to wherever you want it. It just doesn't make any difference. It's just really easy to use Canva to create a logo design. And then once you're done creating it and you have it the way that you want it, you just simply come up here to the right where it says download right there, guys, and click on that, and then you can download this in a PNG, which is the best format that you can use, and then you can download it straight to your computer, and then you would just take it back over here to Design Crowd and you would submit it. For example, let's just say if we clicked on this one right here, and then it gives you, down through here will tell you what they want, how they want it to look and stuff, and any custom designs that they may want. And then you just come right here and click on submit your design. And now, first of all, of course, on this site, guys, you're going to want to register, right? So you want to click on register up here so you can at least so you can make yourself a participant on this site. I should have told you that earlier, but it's easy enough to do. You create a free account here, and then you're a designer. Make sure you choose I'm a designer after you put in your first name, your email address, and password, and then you're a designer, and then click on continue, and then they're going to probably send an email confirmation, get your account validated, come back, get logged in, and then come back under the jobs and come back to the job that you're wanting to put in a design for, and click on it. And let's say you've got your design created from Canva, you already downloaded to your computer, and you're just going to come back here and click on submit your design and submit it up and get it into the contest for the opportunity to win upwards of $300, $150 to $300. As you saw, some of these particular contests for logos are upwards of $300, like this one right here, guys, that you can get involved in. Now, that's just the logo category, guys. Remember, they got jobs in all kinds of other categories of designing that you can do right here and get involved in. So my guess would be, guys, the more of these contests that you get your designs into, the more chance for you to make even more and more money, because you can win these contests with your design and show off your design skills against other people, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. Wanted to show you this, a really good way for somebody that loves to design, or even somebody who's interested in becoming a designer and increasing their design skills. You can use Canva and practice up on that and create amazing designs in all kinds of these categories, and have an opportunity to make some really good money entering these design contests. Guys, if you like that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. Got any comments, just leave them down there in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free video presentation that will teach you how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out my free video presentation that will show you how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer and make thousands of dollars in one day possibility. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days with the next really good money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.